So, good morning. We are leaving Mohan. We were here for 3 days and we are going towards Nainital, but we will go through we have two ways, one through Haldwani and second is Kaladongi. So, we will go via Kaladongi and on the way we will visit one temple and one museum also at Kaladongi. So, you can see the way, so beautiful, so nice. On the left side you can see a river, and these are traditional homes over here, you can see. And this is this is basically, you can see Kosi range, Ramnagar 1, Prabhag Ramnagar area. And this is a one crossing. So we are coming the road known as Rani Khet road, and this is another road so which is going towards Manila and Eco Hect. So now we are going straight and we are going here. This is a police chowki, you can see. And now we are going towards Ramnagar, which is approximately 20 kilometers from here. And yesterday we saw Bhatrojganj, Bhatroj Khan, a place where Ramlila Manchan was going on. So here on the left side you can see a lot of resorts. From here to Ramnagar approximately 30 to 40 resorts. Very big resorts, very costly. But the place where we lived, this was KMBN TSR guest house. So this is basically a government guest house. So we'll show you slowly that we are going ahead. This is really a very natural, very dense forest, and they see another Corbett Road Resort. And we will show you some more. Here you see a monkey on the left side on the street. Children are going, and so beautiful road. You see the terrain you see here. It's a different. And when we visited yesterday Rani Khet, the terrain was a bit different. The trees were different, and here trees leaf are quite big in size. Over there it was like conical or sharp leaf in Rani Khet. So Rani Khet was really a beautiful place to go and visit. And here we are moving towards Ramnagar, and from Ramnagar, before Ramnagar there is a temple called Garjia. So we'll visit that temple. So you can enjoy this journey with us. And you can decide, you can come here. The best time would be from November onwards, when the whole Corbett Park is open fully, and you can visit and you will have more chance to see a tiger. So let us continue our journey, and please keep watching the beautiful road, beautiful journey. And road is good, road is quite good. And yesterday our driver had given us 18 average 1.8, so it was quite good in hilly area. Maybe because when on the one side it's tested, so it consumed a bit more fuel, but when you come back, so it's a down slope, so your car move fast. So that's why on an average it was 18 in hills. That was quite good with the tribal. So let us continue our journey. Right now it's 9:30, and I hope within 15 to 20 minutes we will reach to Ramnagar, and before that I hope we will be able to visit a temple, Garjia temple. So we'll show you that temple. I hope they will allow us to enter and show you that temple. See, this patch is a bit rough. Just 2 or 3 minutes we driving. It's because this construction work is going on. So I hope they are doing here a bridge, because this is a Barsati Nala. So not a Barsati Nala, but always throughout the year water flow here, and that's why I believe they are constructing this small bridge over here. So this is a one patch. There are two rough patches on this way from Ramnagar to Mohan, or Mohan to Ramnagar. See the beauty. Oh, so beautiful, so nice. You can see the water flowing slowly and going to river. Yeah, so nice, so good. Okay, we need to move slow. And so this is a one patch. You have to go slow just for 2 or 3 minutes, and then we are going bit upside. You can see this one patch is over here, or we are now again on the plain road. So that rough road is over. So here you see some information they have given here from this place. They say Garjia Devi Temple 5 km, Ramnagar 18, Tourist Resort Dalia 33, and Amdanda Gate 15 from here. So here we have arrived at Garjia Temple. So this is both sides of the temple. You can see the shops, and we are entering into Garjia Temple, and we show you other things over here. So this is Garjia, or few people say Girja Devi Temple. So this is Uttarakhand Tourism. Some information is given here about this temple, Girja Devi Mandir. You can see this information. Oh my God, so nice. You can see a river, beautiful river over here. Oh, so good, so nice. This side also you can see. साफ पानी है. Lot of people taking bath in this river. You can see it. And here you can see this is the temple. So we will enter into this temple. So many stairs, I believe, to go up and come back. So this is a queue to go to temple, and here see Jai Girja Mata, and this is the stairs up and up going, and you can see people are in line, and this is the temple. So do visit temple, come and enjoy. So this is a river. You can see a lot of people taking bath over here. It's so nice place. And here is the temple, and this is a river. So where this is a river bank, Girja temple. Nice, very nice. On the one side hill, this river, and then Girja temple you can see. So we are here on the way towards Ramnagar after temple, and this is Amdanda gate. And now we are moving towards Ramnagar, and here you see Ramnagar 2 km from here. Kaladungi is 31. So we'll go through Kaladungi, and so let us continue our journey. So we are coming from Mohan, and here you can see on the left side Nainital, Haldwani. You can see, but we are not going on this side. We are going straight because we will catch other road, other way, that would be Kaladungi. So Kaladungi is approximately 30-35 km from here. Why we are going through Kaladungi? Because we want to see one museum. So we'll show you. It's a good, beautiful place. Maybe when we'll come back, we'll come through this Haldwani side. So this is Ramnagar, and on the left side you remember this KMBN guest house. We had a breakfast over there day before yesterday, and now we are moving towards Kaladongi. So we show you on the way Kaladongi what kind of scenic beauty we can see, and we'll show you also. So keep watching and let us continue. So first Kosi Bairaj, Haldwani. So we'll go to Kaladongi. You can see 31 km from here. So first, this is a Kosi Bairaj on the left side. You can see. So we are crossing this bridge, and I hope Bairaj here left side. This is the Bairaj area. You can see right side also.
600 meters, turn right.
So this is a Kosi river. You can see our left side, right side river, but still you can see hills. So beautiful, so nice, so good. And then we'll take right and we'll go to Kaladungi. So we are here at Jim Corbett Museum. So this is situated at Kaladongi. So in front of this museum, a road is going towards Nainital. So this is a Kaladongi but Corbett Museum. So let us see inside and then we'll come back. So, a master of many trades, most people know Corbett as a legendary hunter and writer, but there was much more to him. Jim was also a pioneer wildlife photographer. During his time, not only did he take excellent still pictures, but also shot wonderful footage of wildlife on a cine camera. He often held talk along with film and slide shows to spread awareness regarding wildlife among the general public. So here you see about Jim Corbett, and here you see this is Edward James Jim Corbett. This you see over here. And born in Nainital, India, 25th July 1875, died in Nari, 9th April 1955. So this is a museum in Kaladongi. You can see a lot of trees here, and this is two small buildings. And here you see, I show you Nainital. The distance of Nainital is approximately 34 kilometers from here. So we need to take right from here, and this is beautiful museum. Lot of information about Edward Jim Corbett. Right, he was born in Nainital but died in Nari. Right, so lot of information about Jim Corbett. Very nice place to visit, and ticket is just rupees 10. Right, so if you come, you can visit this place also. Jim Edward James Corbett. So you see a statue, and here are a lot of trees, and on each and every tree they have mentioned the name also. For example, this is bottle brush, this tree, and cleaning, and here you see a beautiful flowers. So we are on the way to Nainital, and we have stopped here for a few minutes just to see this beautiful water. You see how fast it's flowing, you can see, so nice. Oh, natural water, mineral water. See, very white. You can listen the noise also. I think 15-20 minutes more to go to Nainital. Okay, so let us start our journey. Just 2 kilometers away from Nainital, and here we are entering into main city of Nainital. So on the right side you can see Kumaon Vishwavidyalaya Nainital. Yeah, this is a university. We'll visit this. And now we are entering actually the main city. Here you can see the car parking. So you can park here car, especially tourist cabs. Let me see where is our. I think we are very close to our resort. KMBN guest house. So let us. So this is. We are entering into our guest house. You can see this. So let me go there. So okay. This is the place where we will be staying for next few days.